Hi everyone, welcome on Crypto Mercy. Today I want to show you again this possible cup and handle target mix with Elliott wave. But before, let's just hear a glimpse. Let's just hear a glimpse of the market makers right now. They're laughing at us. They're laughing. Also, one big advice: don't get too sentimental with one project. Come on, just just be smart. Those guys don't care. They only care about one thing: it's your money. Also, become a patient trader. Put buying orders on great support and wait. I can assure you that one day you will wake up and, oh damn, Shiri, I just made $4,000 when I was sleeping. The price fall. And oh, I just made 4K, baby. And yeah, for sure. Don't chase the price. That's a good trick. Don't chase the price. So let's dive on the best of all crypto, the eGOLD of Elrond. And thank you, Mr. Minchu, to provide us a real project. And now the intro. Sorry, I forgot. Whoop, damn, my sound were open. Damn, they all played together at the same time. Whoops, sorry. There's too much sound here. I'm gonna have to be careful with that. That was funny. Just to go back, I posted that video on April 11, and I was talking about this Elrond possible cup and handle. And anyway, many people came back to me and still see this possibility, and it's still a possibility, and I want to go right over that today. Right now, we can see that this cup and handle is still like inclined a little bit, but it happens sometimes. It's not a problem. And one thing, I really like this handle forming right now. Maybe we see a little bit better on the 4 hours. We can bring this a little bit lower. Anyway. But really like this handle. And usually we have to wait that the price break above the handle. And some people are very patient, and they will just buy at the confirmation when the price get above the trend line. Here was on the 2-day. Yeah, exactly. If you can follow and try to draw this pattern on your chart and figure out, when this breakout will happen, for sure, you must take a look at the resistance before and to be sure that you're not gonna get wrecked. But for sure, something is playing here, and it's possible that we will have a breakout soon. And we are now forming on the 2-day double bottom right now. Still 9 hours before the close, but if it's closing in double bottom like this, will not be surprised if we pump more on the upper side. If Bitcoin is ready to reverse and is not going on right down the abyss around 43K or 50K, 43K. Okay. Here, the first step of a cup and handle is always the trend upward to significant high price. We had this before, big jump from 36 around 218, and the price must retain at least half of prior gains, which we did. And after that, we just form the right part of the cup. And now we're still in the handle, and we try to handle inside the handle, waiting for a breakout. Always, draw this line from the bottom of the cup to the top, to the trend line, and you bring this arrow at the breakout. Okay, it's why now we have this price target of $284, and also you can bring if you see that a breakout happen over the trend line, you can bring this arrow, and a possible target will be around 332, 335. All right. Let's see if we have different things that can correlate with this. I'm going to use the Fibonacci trend line extension, not trend line extension, but the trend-based Fib extension. And we're going to try to figure out with this pullback here if we can have something around that price. And here we go, right on the 161.8 of Fibonacci. It's why see, this correlation for me is pretty powerful. I cannot assure you that this will happen, but if we see a breakout, now everything is looking pretty correlated to go at this price target, and really like that. Also, if we want to go over all the resistance, I'm just going to make a copy of this to be sure that I'm not going to lose anything. Also, guys, if you can leave me a comment on the bottom, I really appreciate. I had a couple of comments. Just let me know if you are bullish or you're bearish short term on Elrond, and maybe you're a bull or maybe a bear. Just let me know in the bottom, please. Okay. I like to many subscribers know that I try to go over every comment, and you can leave me a message, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. All right, we have this target. Let's figure out resistance right now that we might have to deal with. Okay. Right here we have at, I'm gonna take this out. We have at $199.82 the trap zone. Trap zone usually begin here and ends there. Okay, this is a trap zone, and it's why some people will play more conservatively, and they will wait that we break above and confirm this trend line as support, and they will play this. Let me show you price range. Okay, they're probably gonna check if we confirm the 0.85 as a support. They will enter on the trend line, and they will wait to get out a little bit before they will get about 44-45% profits right here. If you are ready to take the risk right now and you want to enter at the breakout, and the breakout can happen on the confirmation over the falling, just over the roof of the, I'm going to put that in that here. This will be better for you. Okay. A break. What I mean with this, it's, okay. Sorry. what I mean by this is that you need a confirmation over the roof, okay, here, and a breakout of, a confirmation that 0.5 is support, and you will enter. You will be for sure be able to make more profits. And the breakout, if we break from the 0.5 to here, it's about 78.99%, but the risk management here is much more risky, because you're gonna have to deal with the trap zone right here, and many rejection on the. Usually it's like a rejection like this, and whoop, go over, boom, boom. Sometimes it's pretty savage. You know, you're gonna have to deal with all that time, and it can take some time before we break over the trend line. But you know, it's usually people that don't want to take any risk with this, they will enter on the breakout of the confirmation over the trend line right here. Okay, it can be me. I will be okay to you know, enter after a confirmation that we break the 0.85 and with a candle close over it. And when you have confirmation here, you know, you can enter and wait. I'm not saying that the price is going to go right there in one shot, but I mean, this will be a great confirmation. Conservative people will do that, and people that are more, you know, how I can say that, people that don't care and they want to take the risk, you know, here at the breakout and see what happened, and maybe be more patient. You know, they're probably be able to make more profit. Okay, but I mean, you should be careful, because they're all not play. We see this handle right here for sure, but cup and handle sometimes, you know, are fake out too, and gotta be careful with this. It's why I'm suggesting you to wait for the breakout, because and right now Bitcoin is kind of in a danger zone and a little bearish. Don't know if he's gonna go lower, but we'll see that. Usually we have a pullback one time, a pullback two time, second time to form a W, but now it's kind okay. We can count that we didn't test. How I can explain you? Usually patterns on the handle. Okay, we have an handle like this. Okay, and you will see one pullback, two pullback, and after this you will have the breakout. Okay, this means that right now with this pullback here, it should be over. I don't want the price to go below. I'm gonna put the real target for you. I will not appreciate so much that we are going lower than 153. It's why it's possible that we come very near, but I don't want. I would not be so bullish about this move if we go lower one more time. And this pullback was kind of crazy, a huge dump to 125. Anyway, and this is it. And another way to, and I want to show you. And when I'm saying that, just don't chase the price. Don't chase the price. Wait for the breakout, or just pull orders on the midline of a Bollinger Band or on the bottom of the Bollinger Band, okay? But never buy when the price is going up and you're about, oh no, I'm missing this. I'm missing this. It's going up. Oh, okay, I'm buying. I'm buying. And you just bought on the top of the Bollinger Band, and they reject you, and they retrace, and they take all your money, and you're like, oh no, I just lost $10 on the eGOLD. I'm gonna sell right now because I'm gonna get wrecked. You see? Just have to be smart. Right now, we see the gravity of the Bollinger Band was very ugly, but now we're kind of going inside a possible accumulation zone. The Bollinger Band is looking more like this, you know. I can show you on the daily. Also on the daily, the Bollinger Band right now is straight, which is not putting so much pressure on the price, which is good. It's possible that we are gonna go back inside an accumulation phase. Like here, you see the Bollinger Band is straight, accumulation phase. We kind of see this with Cardano right now. Cardano is doing the same stuff. You see, Cardano is in an accumulation phase right now. And even the Bollinger Band is rising a little bit, which tends to be even a little bit more bullish. It's a rising channel, perfect rising channel. And when you see this and the Bollinger Band is the gravity is going up, you can it's easier to buy on the bottom of the Bollinger Band or even in the mid of the band. It's not the end of the world, but just want to show you. I'm gonna go back on the Eagle. All right, let's bring the Bollinger Band. Right now, we still have this for the Eagle, the Bollinger Band on the daily, and the 2 daily is rising. You see the lower band is rising, the middle band is rising. This is the moving average 20. I'm gonna show you the moving average. Moving average 21, right there at 193.16. Okay. For sure, personally, if you see a breakout, it's always better to get in the trade after we confirm the MA21 as a support, the DD21 as a support. Just remember this, you know, because this moving average is resistance, and it's always better to get in or to buy the Eagle when you're over the MA21 than under the MA21. Remember this, and it's why you can put your Bollinger Band on the daily and still watch when we go over. It's okay. I mean, I will not buy exactly the breakout because anyway, if we break out of this channel right here, this handle, you're probably gonna see a huge candle, and another candle will form and close to confirm moving average 21 as a support. Okay. Want to show you something too that is very interesting. This is the EMA ribbon. Okay. Gonna take out all this. Okay. Also, some swing traders are using those moving average to scalp. Um, now we have all those exponential moving average over us as a resistance too. It's why if you see that we are having support over the moving average 21, you will be at the same time over the exponential moving average, which will give us dynamic support. Always think about this. It's pretty important. And you can see here that those exponential moving average, which are much faster than moving average, they move faster on the chart on every time frame. And when you get the support of dynamic support of the exponential moving average, it's until you're over the exponential moving average, you don't have any reason to exit. Okay, but this was a confirmation of to exit the close double top right here of the candles, and now you were supposed to probably exit here if you use a candle reading on the daily, which I don't. But if you you're a risky man and you like to play with noise, and but here you have different tools that can help you if you want to use mixed candle reading on a lower time frame, and exponential moving average are very good. You have the VWAP too that can help you. You have the EMA ribbon that for sure is dynamic support. Okay, right there you see, and but it's a bit too noisy. I mean, the EMA ribbon is more like a trampoline, and that you don't want to have over your head. And on the 4 hours, you see that we're still having this resistance of the EMA ribbon right now. We'll have to pump the price over this, and even if we pump the price over this, we will have to deal with the resistance of the moving average 21 after that on the daily. You see, moving average 21 is here at I'm gonna put a line for you. Okay, resistance right now, and on the 4 hours, I really like to use the EMA ribbon on the 4 hours chart because it's a real dynamic support, and it's better to trade when the price is over the EMA ribbons on the 4 hours. It gives dynamic support. And after this, you see, we'll probably have a kind of a squeeze. Even if we pump over it, we will gonna have to deal with this EMA, this moving average 21 here, and it can be rejected. We'll see if we go over and confirm MM support. We're gonna have to deal with those two moving average right there, but we're gonna have to go over the resistance of the moving average 9 too. It's why we have a bunch of resistance to break right now, and on the daily now, Elrond is making a double top with a spinning top, which can confirm a reversal on the downside in 8 hours 50 minutes, but it's far to be over anyway. If we are on the daily now, you can see we add this double top here, confirmation to get out. We have this double bottom here, confirmation usually to get in, but rejected with a spinning top. Double top, double bottom, double top, and double bottom, and now we're kind of making a spinning top, which will but anyway, it's too early to confirm, but if we are making this will be the confirmation that we are still continue for more downsides to probably the price that I gave you yesterday, I see this bearish flag too playing, you know, and this is important to follow. Well, my chart is a mess right now. Let's see. Okay, you add this bearish flag right here. Bear flag, sorry. Okay, you add this bear flag here too. But anyway, I can go on a shorter time frame. Maybe this is gonna this one is kind of weird. Just wait. This one. Okay, this is the one that we are currently in. This bear flag right there. Okay, and this one will bring us. Okay, we can use this pole. No, sorry, it's this one right here. Damn, this is a crazy one. And this can bring us around 106, exactly on the midline of the Bollinger Band. You can see here, we're very close to reach the moving average 21 on the weekly chart. This coincides perfectly with. It's why you gotta be careful. We have this cup and handle, which is a very good pattern that can play, but it's not guaranteed that this pattern will play. We just have to use a good risk management and be patient and use our brain right there. And let's try to find some correlation. And anyway, if you would like to, you know, start to maybe buy some little by little, my suggestion is that you can, you know, buy the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the 4 hours. Okay, but you know, be careful. It's always better to buy the bottom than buy the upper band. And when you see, if you see that the Bollinger Band still continue to fall like this, don't buy the bottom of the Bollinger Band, because you're gonna have to deal with the gravity, the resistance, the gravity of the Bollinger Band that is going down and push more and more resistance, because you need to remember that those upper band, this upper band, mid band, and lower band are moving average, and when they are falling, that's not a good sign, and it gives a lot of pressure to the price, especially on the daily, which we are starting to see right now on the upper band, but we are not. We don't feel this gravity resistance right now with the mid band and the lower band, which it's possible also that we're gonna retest the bottom of the Bollinger Band here on the daily. It's another possibility. There is some support right there, but and if you're kind of I don't know, a trader, short trader, fast trader, and always take a look at the gravity of the Bollinger Band. Okay, same. You see the gravity of the Bollinger Band is going. I'm gonna delete that. The gravity of the Bollinger Band here is going down, which means that it is dangerous to buy the bottom of the Bollinger Band, because you always gonna get stopped by the mid band because the gravity is too strong. Sometimes it happens, you know, we go over and whoa, you see this is pretty dangerous. And if you take the chance to buy the bottom of the Bollinger Band, try to sell at least on at the mid band. And even sometimes the swing traders are not going in and they don't buy it. It's why sometimes just don't even go on the mid band. And like here, you know, it was you didn't test the mid band here too. It becomes really dangerous. Really, like you, I'll be more. I'll be more of buyers on the bottom of the Bollinger Band when the gravity is up, like this, and you sell on the top of the Bollinger Band. You can make some swings like that and rebuy the bottom of the Bollinger Band. And you see right now on the 15 minutes, you add this confirmation of the retest of the midline. Double bottom, double top here, double top, rejection, double bottom, double top, rejection. Anyway, you see what I mean. Now we can feel that the Bollinger Band is trying to at least fall in an accumulation zone, or the Bollinger Band is trying to reverse. We can feel that on the 15 minute, which, in my opinion, we'll have to see. But when the Bollinger Band is straight like this, it's good to buy the bottom of the Bollinger Band and sell the top. I mean, you can swing trade like this. Okay, buy, sell. And if you see that market makers are pushing the price up and it's getting more bullish, and you can wait. You can wait, and you know that the Bollinger Band is reversing, and the Bollinger Band seems to push the price more and more. And when it's doing this, you will see that sometimes you will retest the bottom, but sometimes the mid band will block. It will block and give support. I can show you an example of this when we were rising. This is going to be easier to see, but when you see a trend like this, even on the 15 minutes, the mid band usually give support. And yes, sometimes you will see a retracement on the bottom of the Bollinger Band, but you see how the midline here gave support all the time and even was not able to retest the midline often. And anyway, I think you understand what I mean. And even sometimes, you know, you have those kind of pump and we don't even retrace the midline. Here you had a confirmation, a double bottom right here, and boo! It was big investors going in and buying Elrond like here, like crazy. That was crazy. Anyway, hope you like, guys. Leave me a comment. Smash the like if you can. I wish you the best of the best. Thanks to be here, and thanks to Mr. Minshew to bring us this kind of project. We love Elrond, and